Hi, I'm John and I need a haircut. I've been trying to experiment with how do I deal with my hair. I'm the type of person, I get a haircut every 2 weeks. I haven't been able to get a haircut. I know it's the least kind of problematic thing going on right now. There's way worse things going on right now, but still, I need a fresh fade. I would sell my soul to the devil for a haircut right now. Look at this. This is insane. Always have to have my hair high and tight, and right now it's not high and tight. So I've been struggling over the last week. Do I cut my own hair? Do I cut my f***ing hair? It's a tough question, and I'm sure there's a lot of guys and girls struggling with this decision right now. What's up, girls? My Tiger King look. Oh God. Oh my God. No, 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 no. I look like Wolverine's nerdy son. So this is going to be quarantine self-haircut 2020. Let's see how it goes. I'd like to actually apologize to my barber, Bobby. You're gonna have to fix this shit, you know that.
To cut your own hair perfectly, I'm gonna start with the number 6 in the closed position. That's the short position.
Oh, I don't have a number 6. Go to a number 7. I think we're actually cutting some hair here. So I just finished going around the sides of my hair. So now I'm going to do a lower bit with the 4 and see how that turns out. This guy's full of shit. Damn it. Don't cut your own hair. Listen to me. I'm a prime example. My hair is... Oh God. This is fucking bullshit. Trim hair. If you're watching this video, it means you're thinking of cutting your hair. I'm pleading with you. Don't frickin' do it. Oh my God. Let me wash it. Maybe if I wash it, it'll... How's it looking? How's the back? I can't see the back. Looks good. I think barbers and hairdressers are an essential service, man. We're all coming out of this looking whack. Don't cut your own hair. This is my new kind of haircut, kind of modeling pose.